Hey guys, Todd from Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I'm going to talk to you about why you need a V.H.T machine. From entry level to home hobbyist, industrial to commercial, we even offer automated and the world's largest vapor blasting machine, the Platform. And for those of you turning wrenches, take a look at our industrial and commercial parts washing machines. You need a vapor honing machine. And if you're watching this today, you already know that you need the machine. There's no better way to clean and prep parts than with a vapor honing machine. We have a lifetime warranty and an upgrade program like no one in the business. Check the link above. We're American made. Give us a call. Our phone number is 828-202-5563, extension 108. Thanks for watching.